Imagine waking up on your 40th birthday and realizing you have no savings, lots of debt, and no clear plan for the future. This situation is more common than you might think. Many people reach 40 and find themselves financially struggling, unsure of what to do next. This video is here to help. We'll guide you through 4 important steps to take right now if you find yourself broke at 40. These steps will help you get back on track, manage your money better, and start building a secure future. Taking control of your finances today can greatly improve your life and give you peace of mind. Let's get started on your path to financial stability. Number 1. Assess your current financial situation. John, a 40-year-old father of 2, knew he had a problem when his credit card was declined at the grocery store. This moment made him realize he needed to get a clear picture of his finances. To fix any financial problem, you first need to understand it fully. Start by listing all your debts, assets, income, and expenses. This means writing down every loan, credit card balance, and any other money you owe. Also, list all your savings, investments, and any valuable items you own, like a house or car. Include every source of income, such as your job salary, freelance work, or any side gigs. Finally, track all your expenses, including rent, groceries, utilities, and even small daily expenses like coffee or snacks. Using budgeting tools or apps can help you get a clear picture. Apps like Mint or You Need a Budget can automatically track your spending and organize it into categories. This makes it easier to see where your money is going. Creating a detailed financial overview is essential. It helps you understand your financial health and identify areas that need urgent attention. For instance, you might realize you're spending too much on dining out or that you have high-interest debt that should be paid off quickly. A financial health checkup is like a doctor's checkup, but for your money. It shows you what's working well and what needs improvement. This can be the first step towards making better financial decisions. By knowing exactly where you stand financially, you can start making a plan to improve your situation. Remember, understanding your finances is the key to managing them effectively and building a more secure future. Number 2, create a realistic budget and cut unnecessary expenses. The first step to creating a budget is to track your spending for a month. Write down everything you spend money on, no matter how small. This will help you understand where your money is going. Once you have a month's worth of data, categorize your expenses into fixed, variable, and discretionary. Fixed expenses are things like rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and car payments. Variable expenses include groceries and gas, while discretionary expenses are things like dining out, entertainment, and luxury items. Next, look for areas where you can cut back. Eliminate or reduce discretionary spending. Consider cooking at home instead of eating out, and look for free or low-cost entertainment options. Negotiate bills and subscriptions. Call your service providers and ask for lower rates on your phone, internet, and cable bills. Cancel any subscriptions you don't use. Consider downsizing. If your housing costs are too high, think about moving to a smaller place or a less expensive area. You can also save on transportation by using public transit or a more fuel-efficient car. Living within your means is crucial. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary debt. A budget helps you prioritize your spending and focus on what's most important. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you can free up money to pay off debt, save for emergencies, and invest in your future. Creating a realistic budget and sticking to it takes discipline, but it's a powerful tool for improving your financial health. Start today, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you can see positive changes. Number 3, increase your income. There are many ways to increase your income, and finding the right one for you can make a big difference. One option is freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer your skills and services to people all over the world. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, programming, or another skill, there's a market for it. Freelancing allows you to work on your own schedule and take on as many projects as you can handle. Another way to increase your income is through part-time jobs or gig work. Consider jobs like driving for a rideshare company, delivering food, or working in retail. These jobs can provide flexible hours and a steady income stream. You can also invest in further education or certifications to boost your career. Online courses and workshops can help you gain new skills or improve existing ones. This can lead to promotions, raises, or new job opportunities. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer many affordable courses in a wide range of subjects. Practical tips for finding additional income sources include networking and using social media. Let friends, family, and professional contacts know you're looking for extra work. They might have leads or be in need of your skills. Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients or employers. Increasing your income takes effort, but it's worth it. Extra money can help you pay off debt faster, build savings, and invest in your future. By finding ways to earn more, you can improve your financial situation and gain more security and peace of mind. Number 4. Build an emergency fund and start investing. Building an emergency fund and starting to invest are crucial steps to secure your financial future. First, focus on building an emergency fund. This fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small if you need to, even if it's just $20 a week. Over time, this will add up. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account where it can grow but still be easily accessible. Next, start investing. Investing helps your money grow faster than it would in a regular savings account. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Start with small amounts and increase as you can. Here are some basic investment options. Stocks. Buying shares of companies can offer high returns over time, but they can also be risky. Bonds. These are loans you give to companies or the government, and they pay you interest. They are usually safer than stocks, but offer lower returns. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are collections of stocks and bonds managed by professionals. They are a good way to diversify your investments and reduce risk. Consider using robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. These online platforms create and manage an investment portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. Remember the power of compound interest. This means your money earns interest, and then you earn interest on the interest, and so on. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Building an emergency fund and investing are essential for financial stability. They provide a safety net for unexpected expenses and help grow your wealth over time. Taking these steps can lead to a brighter and more secure financial future. Stay persistent and resilient, and you'll see progress over time. You have the power to turn your financial situation around and build a stable, prosperous future for yourself. Start today and take control of your finances. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.